Welcome to Thniksign, where ideas come to life. Think it, sign it, we create it, it's that simple. Together, we can create something extraordinary.
Thniksign is an innovative promotion medium offering a range of customized outdoor and interior signage and comprehensive event planning services. We specialize in providing tailored solutions that meet the unique needs of each client, emphasizing creativity, efficiency, and professionalism. Service portfolio. Our services encompass an extensive array of options designed to elevate your brand's visibility and create meaningful impressions. 1. Custom poster design. We offer bespoke poster designs that reflect your brand's ethos and engage your target audience. Our creative team ensures each design is visually appealing and holds the attention of viewers. 2. Targeted campaign strategies. Our expertise lies in crafting targeted campaign strategies that maximize